Encountering the issue playing this video message on Bally Sports. This error typically arises from problems with your network connection, the app itself, or Bally Sports servers. It indicates a failure in video decoding or buffering, preventing smooth playback. This often happens during peak sports events or after app updates. Let's get it fixed. First, ensure you have a stable and sufficient internet connection. Bally Sports recommends 5 to 10 Bp for HD streaming. Use a speed test tool like speedtest.net to verify your speed. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try moving closer to your router or switch to a wired Ethernet connection for a more reliable signal. Also, ISP throttling can cause issues during high traffic times, so be aware of that possibility. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Start by closing the Bally Sports app completely, then reopen it. If the problem persists, restart the device you're using. For smartphones and tablets, hold the power button and select Restart. For smart TVs, go to Settings, then Device and Software and select Restart. On Roku devices, navigate to Settings, System, and choose System Restart. For Fire TV, go to Settings, My Fire TV, and select Restart. This process clears the device's memory and can fix corrupted cache issues affecting playback. Over time, the Bally Sports app accumulates cache data that can become corrupted. Clearing the cache can resolve playback issues. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select Bally Sports, go to Storage, and clear cache and data. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear its cache. This ensures you're starting with a clean slate. Using an outdated app version can cause compatibility issues and playback errors. Check the Apple App Store for updates to the Bally Sports app or Google Play Store on Android devices. Install the latest version for bug fixes and improvements. Also, update your device's operating system for optimal performance. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Bally Sports' ability to stream content, especially due to geo-blocking restrictions. Try disabling your VPN and see if the error resolves. Bally Sports is operational in 21 regional markets, so ensure you're within a valid viewing area. Using incognito mode in your browser can also sometimes bypass geolocation issues. Authentication errors can prevent video playback on Bally Sports. To resolve this, sign out of your Bally Sports account and then sign back in. In the app, go to Settings, then Account, and select Sign Out. After signing out, log in again with your credentials. If your account is linked to a cable provider like Comcast or DirecTV, ensure your credentials are still valid and active with your provider. Check that your subscription hasn't expired or been canceled. If you're having trouble with your login or authentication, contact Bally Sports support for assistance. They can help verify your account and resolve any issues. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue playing this video error, contact Bally Sports support directly. They can offer specific troubleshooting guidance or identify server-side problems. Visit their website or check the app for contact details. Note that AI-driven chatbot support is now available for real-time assistance. When contacting support, provide detailed information about the error and all the steps you've already attempted.